Good night, video presentation, aprendiz Janí del Carmen Banque Julio, técnico en apoyo administrativo en salud, evidencia video presentación. Personal presentation. My name is Hanidi Banque Julio. I am 30 years old. My everyday is Junio 28. I am from Cartagena, Colombia, and my academic level is managed technology integrate with quality, environment, safety, and the health at work. Family, husband, sister, daughter. What are my hobbies? Go to beach, go, go to eat with my daughter, read, listen to music, watch football. Motivational process. You are brave. Thank you. Tore. Thank you. Looking intelligent. Thank you. Thank you.